So you want to turn on the high performance mode for your PC, but you don't know how? Don't worry, you've come to the right video. Hi, my name is Chola and I'm going to guide you through the process of enabling the high performance mode for your Windows 10, 11 or any other computer. Now this is a relatively easy and simple process. What you have to do is press Windows plus R. It will open up the run. Now once the run opens up, you want to be typing out powercfg.cpl. As you can see here, powercfg.cpl. Click on OK. It will open up the power options. Now make sure that whenever you open this, your high performance option is selected to make sure your PC is giving you the highest performance possible for your gaming, video editing or any other task that you're doing. So we're going to select this high performance. And that's it. Now your high performance has been enabled. Now I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please let me know down in the comment section below that it helped you out. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.